What's up, y'all? It's Breakpoint. Today we're going to show you how to make homemade meatballs. We got 2.5 pounds, or sorry, 2.25 pounds of hamburger meat. So what you're going to first do, add some seasonings because you don't want to do it while you're mixing the hamburger meat. There's some pepper, some salt, and your Italian seasoning. And to help the meatballs stay together when you cook them, we got some fresh grated Parmesan cheese. I'm going to throw that in there. Might as well use the rest of it. Use your hands, mix it around. Make sure it's all incorporated into the hamburger meat. Usually when you're making something, you want to take it out, like red meat I should say. You want to take it out about 20 minutes before you start to cook it. That way it has a chance to relatively get to room temperature, and it'll cook a lot quicker versus it being super cold and then you have to sit there and wait for it to cook for a longer period of time. And these meatballs are going to go into some spaghetti sauce. And if you need to know how to make the spaghetti sauce, it'll be in the description down below. We'll also put it at the end of the video for you guys as well. These meatballs will go great in spaghetti sauce, meatball subs. Oh man, meatball subs, those are delicious. Especially on our homemade bread video. That link will also be in the description for you guys. All right, I think it's mixed up enough. Should look like that. Now, you just take palm-sized balls, form it, roll it up. If you need to squeeze it together. That'll be just fine. There you go. Just like that. And then we will make the rest, and that should be good. All right, so now we're done forming the meatballs. You can see that they turned out pretty well. But this hamburger meat is 80-20. You want to use 80-20 for the best flavor, the best anything, really. Like I said, you can use these in meatball subs. You can use them, you can pan sear them. You can use them in spaghetti sauce. You can even eat them with Alfredo sauce or carbonara too. But you can pan sear them. You can put them in the sauce, or you can bake them, really. But we're going to throw them in a sauce, and we'll show you the finished product when it's all done. All right, the meatballs are done. Cook them in the sauce, and you can see that they're cooked pretty well through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try some of this in the meat sauce that we made. And if you don't know how to make meat sauce, the link is down in the description. Delicious. These are going to go good in our spaghetti or meatball subs in the future. Absolutely delicious.